In this guide, we'll help you navigate the Maintenance tab to effectively view, edit, audit, and download maintenance information for your asset. By following these precise instructions, users can seamlessly manage maintenance tasks, view closed items, and complete necessary actions with ease. Navigate to the specified location. Locate the structure icon at the top right of the dashboard. Type the required structure ID in the search bar to find your asset, and click on the structure to open the Asset Summary page. Shift through the tabs on the Asset Summary page and select the Maintenance tab to access the Maintenance page. Click the Add Work Item button to create a new maintenance task. For detailed instructions, check out our guide, How to Add a Work Item. Click on the View icon to display detailed information about the selected maintenance item. Click on the photo thumbnail to expand and view the attached photo in detail. Click on the Edit button to reopen the maintenance form. Make necessary changes, such as updating. Once the edits are complete, click on the Finish button to save the changes. If the work item was created by mistake, click on the Erase button to delete it from the asset. Click on the Info icon to open the audit logs for the selected maintenance item. View the detailed logs to track changes and updates made to the maintenance item. After reviewing, click on the Close button to exit the audit logs. Click on the Download icon to generate and download the maintenance report for the selected work item. Navigate to your Downloads folder to locate and view the downloaded maintenance report. Thanks for watching. Visit our support section for more helpful videos that will guide you through using the tool.